Why don't you start a conversation? You're usually good at starting one.
Yeah. And you're good at ending them.
Do you want to sit here alone? Because I'm not gonna sit here listening to your taunts.
तुझे पता है लोग टॉन्ट्स क्यों मारते हैं?
No.
नहीं ना? See this. Remember this pic?
Calcutta. College excursion. First
First
year.
ever. Victoria Memorial. Back then.
We kissed there for the first time.
Yeah. We kissed.
What year?
What? How can you forget that?
Okay, let's not talk about it. This is embarrassing.
Pranav, I don't know if I love you or not, but a kiss would help me decide that. In 10 seconds.
Okay, shut up. I mean, probably I was drunk or something.
शाम के 5 बजे थे.
Previous night's drinking effect or something.
Okay.
Not okay. This rose.
ये कौन से फालतू ऑथर्स की बुक्स पढ़ती रहती है?
This is Durjoy Datta.
वर्ल्ड्स बेस्ट बॉयफ्रेंड. ये भी कोई टाइटल हुआ? किसी ब्यूटी कॉन्टेस्ट का नाम लगता है. राजा छाप खैनी प्रेजेंट्स वर्ल्ड्स बेस्ट बॉयफ्रेंड. और एक तो ऑथर भी अननोन. मैंने कभी नाम भी नहीं सुना.
Pranav,
Yes, Cheshra.
please tell me one author you've heard.
Of course I've heard of an author. I'll tell you. Valmiki. He wrote Mahabharata.
Ah, see. What's that in your hand?
This is for you.
That's a dried rose. What do I do with this?
Cheshra, थोड़ी Bollywood भी देख लिया कर. I'll explain. If I give you this rose, what will you do? You will take it, put it in a book, and days later, it will dry up to become a bookmark. तो अगर bookmark ही बनाना है, तो take this then. Wait, I have something in here.
I'm so sure there's nothing.
Here it is.
An iPod. I never gifted you one.
Patience. You didn't give me an iPod, but you gifted me something which is inside. Your recording.
You still have it? Aww. Are you still in love with me? इतना जिम जाके भी कुछ फायदा नहीं हुआ. You still didn't manage to get a girl there.
Oh, hello.
Okay, come, let's listen to this.
हाँ हो जा proud. Self-obsessed.
Play, no. Sorry, dear. He treated you like a bullock cart.
I wrote slow because I wanted to hear you sing. और अगर fast ज़्यादा ना, तो wind की noise से तेरी recording भी नहीं हो पाती.
No.
कोशिश भी मत करना. Actually, can you promise me something?
What? Keep it.
So, I kept it. What happened? What are you thinking?
I'm so talented, no? I wonder I got hooked up with you.
What? मैं भी.
Yeah, right. Studies में zero. I did most of your assignment.
And had your dad not spent a fortune on your studies in US, you would have studied in some stupid college that too management quota.
You what rubbish? You're just too self-obsessed. Did you forget how I used to walk the ramp on every fashion show in our college? Yeah.
Of course. You need special talent to walk the ramp, especially with both your legs working. Such a hard work.
That is also an art.
Everything is an art. Flirting is also an art for you.
Yes, flirting is an art.
So, have you improved your skills in these art in these 2 years? What? Tell me. We haven't spoken in these 2 years since you've come back, so I don't know. Have you improved or is it rusted?
Oh yes, I've improved a lot.
So, did you try on Stacy,
Stacy.
the girl who said you've been to Vegas with?
No. I did try. Actually, you know what? She's awesome. She even flirts back. Unlike you unromantic person.
You were enough romantic for both of us. I never had a chance to match your levels.
Actually, you know what? I did a lot. I'm sure you must have had a tough time to choose between the huge amounts of gifts that I gave you. Either I had to search for something that showed you cared.
One more taunt, and I will leave.
ये क्या है अब? What rubbish. You know what? मैं कोई भी पिक या वीडियो नहीं रखूंगा तेरी. जो मैं छोटा सा था ना, small, even I was small, तो मैं रात को सो नहीं पाता था. मुझे बहुत प्रॉब्लम होती थी. तो मेरा जो रूम है ना, उसमें जब सारे लाइट्स ऑफ हो जाते थे, तो मेरे बेड के सामने जो वॉल है, उस पे मूनलाइट की वजह से एक शैडो आती थी. एंड आई समहाउ थॉट दैट द शैडो इज ऑफ एन इविल विच. Yeah, and that too on a broomstick. So I was shit scared. I couldn't sleep. I even cried. I was young back then. Yeah, so तो रोज मॉम मेरे रूम में आती थी मुझे सुनाने के लिए. मुझे नींद आ जाती थी. बट एवरी डे इज वेरी टफ फॉर मॉम टू कम एंड मेक मी स्लीप. सो शी फाउंड अ परमानेंट सोल्यूशन टू दिस. She somehow made me believe that evil witch is actually trying to go out of the window, out of the room. Inch by inch, every day, she moves a little towards the window. And one day she'll be gone. And I actually started to believe that in reality, she's going to go. Inch by inch, every night, I observed that she's literally moving towards the window. And one day she'll be gone. So, after some days of sound sleep, I completely forgot about all this and I grew up. When in reality, I came to know that every morning when I used to go to school, my mom used to push my bed far away from the window. Every day she used to push the bed away from the window, inch by inch. That's how she made me believe in this. उस दिन एक बात समझ आई यार. It's okay to live in a bubble. लाइफ में सब कुछ परफेक्ट नहीं जा रहा, तो build a bubble and put your heart in it. So that your mind should know that your heart is inside that bubble. Because someday, and that day will come, if that bubble bursts, your mind should be able to know and control it. मैं तेरी कोई वीडियो या पिक्चर नहीं रखने वाला हूँ अपने पास. Because I still want to think that you're just 2 kilometers away from me. I just call you and we'll meet in the Sector 56 CCD. Just that today you cannot meet me because of your tuitions, your work, some college, something. We cannot meet today. Just today. A lot of these todays make 2 years. And finally, on one tomorrow, we'll meet.
That's it. I think you've used up my entire memory explaining your theory. Wait, where you going? Just sit. Do you really think we should be in a long distance relationship? I mean, it works for some, but mostly it doesn't. And to think of it, I think your bubble theory is on similar grounds. Maybe we should put our relationship to a test and continue after 2 years.
Are you mad or something? I love you. कोई मूवी नहीं चल रही है जो इंटरवल हो जाएगा.
I know, but how will you create your bubble if you talk to me every day? How will you think I'm just a block away if you calculate the time you're in India and you call me? I think I'm just giving you a better solution to your theory.
You know what? अभी जाने में टाइम है ना? We'll talk about this later. That's it. And you ended the conversation. As usual. Now show me your third memory.
Wait, what do you mean by I ended the conversation? You had your stupid bubble logic there, and I wasn't even thinking in that direction until you came up with your stupid thoughts.
Those were not stupid.
Of course.
They helped me stay there.
Stacy. Even she helped you stay there? Vegas. I'm pretty sure there was much more than this. This is so easy for you to follow, right? Not a single call in these 2 years. Not one, Pranav. I'm sure you had your bit of action there and that's why you didn't even miss me.
Yeah, I had a lot of fun there. And you were sad and cried for me every day, right? Even you could have called me if you missed me so much and if you're so desperate to talk to me.
Desperate to talk? Me? You know what? This is Govin. He loves me and I love him. And you, Mr. Pranav, are a closed chapter. And I'm pretty sure you would have given some stupid logic to your Stacy as well and you would have even broken up with her.
No. Why would I break up with her? She's expressive about her love. She's possessive. She's romantic. She loves me the way I am. Everything that you never were. And yes, I love her too. Wait. Show me your third memory. मुझे अभी भी लगता है कि this is not right.
I think it'll help you.
Fine. Bye.
Wait.
Shit.
I'm
यहाँ
fine.
medical तो
I'm fine.
I have an idea. हमारे देश
Are you
की मिट्टी-
mad?
अरे it'll help you.
No.
Seriously, it'll help you. I have an idea. तुम्हारी
What's wrong with you?
अरे it'll help you. I just died. No. Okay. This. Fine. Chill.
Pranav. Yes.
एक इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट बोलूं?
What?
Hugging helps release natural painkillers.
Where'd you get this stupid fact?
Stupid नहीं है. It's called oxytocin. It'll help you. You'll feel better. Feeling better?
No. And from where I can see, तू सिर्फ चांस मार रहा है.
Yeah, no. Cheshta and I broke up.
He has some other girl in his life. Some girl named Stacy.
Yeah, I've been waiting for 2 years just to be with her. But she loves some other guy now.
Govind, what do you want me to do? You want me to tell him that I will love him? And I waited for him for like 2 years? Do you think that I'll bring him back?
No, why should I tell her I was waiting for her? That I loved her. Even after 2 years.
He'll probably leave Stacy for me, and I don't want to snatch him.
If I said all that, she would feel guilty about ditching me and going with someone else.
If he really loved me, he would have waited.
I lied that I'm dating you.
Let him believe that even I've moved on in my life, even if that's a lie.
एक और इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट बताऊं, जब दो लोग एक दूसरे को स्टेयर करते हैं ना फॉर मोर देन 15 सेकेंड्स, तो उनके हार्ट बीट सिंक्रोनाइज होते हैं एंड देन दे स्टार्ट थिंकिंग अलाइक.
फिर याद आए कुछ पल, पलों में याद आई कुछ बातें. अब छोड़ो इन बातों को, बातों में क्या रखा है. बातें तो बातों में ही रह जाती है, मगर बातों से कभी बात नहीं बनती.